In my music career, there have been many emotional moments. With me, whenever my song comes out, now, even now, when I've sung like so many songs, when my song comes out in a film, we go for the premiere, then my whole family goes for the first day, first show, and each and every member in my family cries. And so people see us always and they wait for my family to start crying, and it always happen. I feel कि अब नहीं होगा because अब इतने सारे गाने आ गए हैं. But my journey indeed has been very emotional, and my parents' support has been incredible. There have been so many people from the industry who have supported me a lot. The music directors, when I entered, I was very young. They still consider me a baby. I'm trying to convince them that I've grown up finally. But I get pampered a lot. They have blessed me. They have taught me. Each and every recording session with any music director I work with is like a learning session for me. When I get awards, the feeling is amazing. I consider awards important. They remind you that you're walking on the right path. I'm not saying that those singers who don't get award, they are not good, because ultimately it's people's love that counts the most. But yeah, there have been so many moments. If I sit now and look back at my journey, there have been many moments where I got enormously happy. My inspiration as a person has always been Mother Teresa ji and my mama, and as a singer Lata Mangeshkar ji. She's like the ultimate Ma Saraswati ji for me. My journey has been very emotional, and I'm a highly emotional person. There have been many emotional moments in my journey, especially in the journey of my mission of saving little hearts. That moment, which happens very frequently, when the doctor uncle comes out of the operation theatre and he tells me that badhaiyo palak tumhara bachcha bach gaya. That's something which I crave to hear. Every day I crave for it, and that's the most, I would say that's the happiest moment in my life, always. So there are different hospitals across the country from where I get concessions. They operate my kids, the kids in my waiting list, at concessional rates. There's this hospital, Escorts, in Delhi, which operates my kids at 33% of discounted rate. Dr. Shetty gives me 51% of discount in Bangalore. There's this hospital, Bhandari Hospital and Research Center in Indore, where I get a credit of 10 lakh rupees. Even if I don't have fund, I can get the kid operated and pay later on. And I'm most of the time in credit. And so there are different doctors and hospitals who helped me in this mission, and I'm very thankful to them. I have a very special connection with every kid who has been a part of my mission. There have been kids, the smallest baby who got operated was just 7 days old. So I have a criteria. The kids I help are below the age of 17 years old. So my main mission is of heart patients, but I usually visit the hospitals जब भी बच्चे admit होते हैं, and there was a small kid who was from a village in MP, and he held my hand, he held my finger. I was going towards the ward, and he just held my hand, and I asked that kid's parents कि क्या हुआ है इसको, and they told me कि हम वापस जा रहे हैं because हमारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं, तो अब हम बस उस दिन का वेट कर रहे हैं जब that unfortunate thing happens. And I was very disturbed, and I decided that even if he's not a heart patient, he was suffering from some other disease, I wanted to help him. I think I feel God chose me as a medium to help people, and I just look for these kind of opportunities where I can be of any help to anybody. बच्चों के पेरेंट्स एक्चुअली बहुत इमोशनल हो जाते हैं. दैट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन ऑफ इमोशंस, जब बच्चा ऑपरेट होने वाला होता है, जब वो मेरे पास आते हैं बच्चे को लेकर, और उनकी आंखों में वो हेल्पलेसनेस, वो बेबसी, और जब वो ऑपरेट हो जाता है उसके बाद जो एक तसल्ली होती है, जितनी दुआएं वो देते हैं मुझे, आई थिंक दैट्स समथिंग आई लिव फॉर. मैं ग्वालियर गई थी, विच इज़ अ टाउन इन MP, एंड वहाँ की एक बच्ची का ऑपरेशन हुआ था, एंड आई वॉज देयर फॉर अ कॉन्सर्ट. सो दे they were insisting कि आप हमारे घर आइए. So I went to that kid's house. एंड वहाँ पर मुझे पता चला कि उनके घर के हर एक बर्तन पर, हर एक डब्बे पर, हर एक फर्नीचर पर उन्होंने पलक 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 लिख रखा था. जो किसान है वो अपनी जो पहली फसल होती है उसकी जो धानी होती है वो लेकर आ जाते हैं. अगर कोई ठेले वाले फ्रूट्स का ठेला धकाते हैं तो वो फ्रूट्स लेकर आ जाते हैं. उन्हें समझ में नहीं आता है कि वो किस तरह थैंक यू कहें. एंड आई थिंक वो सारी इमोशंस, वो सारी ब्लेसिंग्स ही हैं जिनकी वजह से इतना कुछ हो रहा है मेरी लाइफ में. अच्छा. Yeah, I think the situations I spoke about, all those incidents, they moved me. When I traveled in train, when I saw those kids without clothes in winters, whenever I see somebody feeling helpless about something, I feel emotionally moved. That happens to me in my career also. When I record a song, when I get attached to it, when I get connected to it, when I'm completely into the song, I cry. So it has happened to me many times. So there are a lot of things that move me.